Hola, this is from Lusial Stadium, and I'm gonna show you around what's happening outside. It's so freaking crowded. There are millions of people I can see, but this stadium is the capacity of 80,000, right? So now we have to stand. They have a lot of entrance. Okay, I'm gonna show you around. Brazil! Brazil! Mi makan namin ang laki ko. YouTube.
Hello, bye Brazil.
I'm a fan of fans. I'm a fan of everybody's fans. Because I have this jersey, that's why I'm wearing. Of course, yes, today is Brazil. Always on the winning team. See? Saka Chadri da, ngasige ke am Chadri. Hi.
Hi.
This is a YouTube live. Where are you from?
Switzerland.
Switzerland. Oh, nice.
You know Switzerland?
I know Switzerland. It's a beautiful country.
Yeah, it is. It is.
Um,
And today we won
yeah.
Against Cameroon.
That was the game.
against Cameroon.
So he's from Switzerland and they won today.
And you?
I'm from India.
India. You don't look like India.
Yes, because India is big and we have different faith, different style, different class. I love you too.
Hey, brasileiro!
So that is the stadium, guys. Now I'm struggling at the entrance. This is the magic moment. You are on YouTube live.
And is somebody looking?
Yes.
How many people?
Now 166.
Wow. Show your face. Great.
I have 90,000 followers. Yes.
Indians.
Yes. I don't need others.
You don't?
All my people are there. Just I need
Hi,
Indians.
Indians. We are here now in Qatar.
Are you happy?
Yeah, of course. We
You're-
won today. We won Switzerland against
Congratulations!
Cameroon.
Okay, how you come here for the match or you live here?
No, for the match.
For the match. And how do you find Doha?
4 days. Only for 4 days.
Slowly, slowly.
Just a minute, please. Just a minute, please.
Wait. Wait. Is this the first match for you?
This is my first match, yes.
بس خلي عشان المكان انتوا تتنفسون.
Dat al aufgeht, weißt du, schon recht.
شوي تعالوا هيك.
ثلاثة مع بعض.
شوي.
معايا بس. في لفة طويلة. My sister sent me.
Oh, so cute!
قرب ممكن؟
You are on live!
صاب
Wow, all the best!
يدمو
They are from Serbia.
So yucky.
Que nos traiga el...
هو شو مطلين؟ رحنا بنحفظ محط عسكري.
بقول له وين شغال؟ بقول لي تيكتنج اوفيسر. شو بشتغل؟ تخيل تيكتنج اوفيسر في مركز التذاكر قاعد هذا بس يفتح تلفونك شيك على الكل. والله شيوخ يا زلمه. والله قال لي تيكتنج اوفيسر. ماكلين واكل.
Guys, ticket sa imana de amaga category yam yame. Lupa original price lupa 1,000 ke hore. Right, the starting basic ticket is starting from this 40 riyal and until you Argentina. That's it. This guy, show your shirt. I see. Serbia. India. I would say India. Manipur. Lebanon.
انا بقول لك جاي. بقول لك حاجه.
Bangla يا فري.
دخلونا من ورك سيريا طلعت اقرب منها. زعلانين هذيك المره شوفها بعيد دقيقه.
انا هسه بفكر قبل جيت.
My people is asking you to speak my language. Let's say Nungay di ba?
Nu ID va.
Yes, it's how are you?
Nu ID.
Nungay di ba?
Nu ID va.
Yes, you're right. Nungay di ba?
Hey, Indian people. I know India. I was in Jaipur
Oh,
for
the pink city.
a friend, the girl of a friend get married.
Wow.
Big party
Yes,
in Jaipur.
big fat wedding
Big-
Indian. Is
Yeah,
like, ooh.
Mukesh is my Indian friend.
Oh, mashallah, Mukesh Ambani.
I don't know the second name.
Okay.
He is my best friend in India is Mukesh
Wow, Mukesh, there is one guy
from Jaipur,
from Jaipur.
and he has a shop in Liberia.
What
In
what shop?
Africa.
What shop is that?
Beverages.
Beverage. Oh. You like Doha?
Of course, I like Doha.
What about India?
India, I like it. Yeah,
Like it?
very much. It was beautiful.
What did you remember from
Of India?
from that visit? Yes. Besides the party.
Richkas,
Yes.
Richkas. Animals on the street.
Yes.
Animals on the street, but good food,
Good food. Good people.
good people.
Good music.
Music was live music for the
I see. Like all the
party.
Indian instruments. they
Yes,
use. Yeah, I'm
yes.
sure. Thank you. It was nice. And
About 3,000 people has been participated
In the wedding?
in the wedding party.
wow,
Yeah.
that's a big fat
A
wedding.
beautiful hotel with a lot of food stuff
Yeah.
and around a big place. Was really great. And I was invited there. Because of that, I like.
Thank you. Well, may I know your good name?
Huh?
Your good name, please.
Fritz.
Meet
Fritz.
Fried. Fried from Switzerland. They said they loves you.
Say hello in my language.
How do I say?
Hallo zusammen.
Hallo zusammen.
Ich freue mich,
Ich freue mich.
euch zu begrüßen.
What is that?
I'm happy that I can say hello to all of you.
Ah, I see. Thank you very much.
You can make also a video.
And
With my brother.
Yes, please.
My brother.
Your name, please.
Kurt.
Kurt.
Yeah.
From the same country.
No. He is a great skier.
From where?
Cross country skier.
Here.
Skier.
Skier.
Skiing. You can.
I
no,
see.
Cross country. You know Switzerland is for skiing.
Yes, it is.
We
It
have
is.
mountains.
Oh, of course.
Yeah, snow.
Nice and snow and beautiful place, so clean, greenery, everything.
Cows and shapes.
And also a bit expensive.
Cheese, chocolate.
Yeah.
Huh?
It's a bit pricey for others, for not you all, but for us as tourists.
Yeah, but you can make a little bit
But there's a
advertisement for my
quality.
product. I have an energy drink,
All right.
and the name of the product is to all your followers. Tell it to all your followers.
What is the name of the product?
Buffalo.
Buffalo.
It's available in India.
I see. So guys, Buffalo is an energy drink, energy beverage. It's a non-alcoholic.
Non-alcoholic, vegan
Okay.
energy drink.
Guys, it's vegan, so anybody, whoever is vegetarian, you can consume this.
Yes, conservative, very good, very healthy,
Buffalo,
best quality.
best quality. Spectator entrance,
Ja, die hebben ons al zeggen, en weiter, en nog mal weiter. Ja, jetzt 160. Ja, die teilen das. Ja, nur einer, der das will, muss können. Ja. Danach sind es 160 Millionen, die das suchen. Nur weil wir angestanden sind. Wie gesagt, wir müssen jetzt an der Wort hören mal auf, rappeln. Ja.
Yaure, Zig. Security mapa Yaure.
Ja, exactly. Schau, jetzt sind wir schon vorne.
Bye bye. Ganda yung Brazil. Indiagi flex product tray. Thank you. I use security area. The like camp tapusan ba yade only I use purse da ID. Aduga wallet kak ni pura ise. Like camp po ba yade sing bo pusan ba yade no selfie stick nothing ko. Ado security area sila ya. Mayam video se save top ge duga ko na dum yeng ko hojiki manung du changa ge duga photo video to ko na namage. Aduga blog yara ga di namake. I blog ma'am. I know what I went to America recently. The US video ma'am mahapane thagat pane ba ko du su yeng Bye.